Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Clickup with Notion using the latest available methods in 2026. If you use Clickup for task management and Notion for documentation, notes, or team knowledge bases, connecting the two can help streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect Clickup and Notion and start using both platforms side by side. Let's get started. The first step is opening Notion and accessing your account settings. Once you're inside your workspace, look for your profile icon, usually located in the sidebar or near the top corner of the screen. Click it and open the Settings section. Starting from Settings is always a good idea when working with integrations because it gives you access to all available connection options and account-level controls. It also helps ensure you're configuring everything securely from the beginning. Inside Settings, locate the section called Connections or Connected Apps, depending on your version of Notion. This area is where Notion manages integrations with external services and productivity tools. Once you're there, look for an option that allows you to browse available integrations. In some accounts, you may see a button labeled Browse Integrations or See All Apps. Click it to open the complete integration directory. Since there are many available services, you may need to use the search bar rather than scrolling through the entire list. Simply type Clickup into the search field to quickly locate the integration. When Clickup appears in the results, select it to open the Integration Details page. Here, you'll typically see information about what the connection can do, including task sharing, embedded dashboards, workflow management, and collaboration features. Take a moment to review the available functionality so you understand how the integration fits into your workflow. Next, click the Connect button to begin linking your accounts. At this stage, Notion will redirect you to Clickup's authorization page. If you're already logged into Clickup, the process may continue automatically. If not, sign in using your Clickup credentials. As with any account connection, verify that you're on the correct login page and avoid sharing credentials with anyone. After signing in, Clickup will ask you to choose the workspace you want to connect. This step is especially important for users who manage multiple workspaces, teams, or client projects. Once you've selected the appropriate workspace, approve the connection request and complete the authorization process. After the integration is active, you'll be able to embed Clickup views inside Notion pages, access project information more easily, and create a more centralized productivity system. Many teams use this setup to combine Clickup's powerful project management features with Notion's flexible documentation and knowledge management tools. And that's it. You've successfully connected Clickup with Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with any questions or tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.